And welcome back. For the introduction code, we will go inside Remix and we'll check this particular remix.ethereum.org. Then when we enter inside, of course, we will fit do some kind creation of file. The creation of file no be this arrow dey wrong. The creation of file suppose dey here. Na be the creation of file. This first one wey dey here. Now we go take create file. So of course now the first sample code be this, and wetin we wan do na to store string data type. We wan store am for public blockchain, and we wan name the string my dog name, and we wan say okay na the dog name be this bingo. So anytime wey we call my dog name, we dey expect make e give us bingo. Na wetin variable dey do with their data wey dey hold. So basically we fit put am for our, we go inside remix now, go test am. We'll test the types of data type, and we'll also test this particular code. All right, after that one, we fit go this Solidity logo, and we go see some things for here for this side. The first one are the check version. Normally this Pragma Solidity wey dey here, e dey tell us say the version wey this Solidity dey, right, na e must dey greater or equal to 0.82, and it must dey lesser than 0.90. So we go set this particular one, or rather e go even set by itself if na latest version we dey use. So if you set am, make e just make sure say e dey within this range. Of course you go come fit compile am. If the code dey right, e go just go ahead and compile. For this code, we just do some few things, and you fit read this note. We go tell Solidity say na string data type, from the beginning, and na why we put this string for here. We go also say wetin people fit say am for blockchain, public blockchain, and we talk say na the name of the variable be this. Wey be say when we call am, we go get our data wey be bingo, right? So we come assign am to am. So yeah, when you compile am, if e dey correct, you go compile, and we fit go to deploy, and you go fit dey watch this terminal wey dey here, make you dey see all the errors wey dey give you, or all the insights wey you fit dey look. For here, na the, when you come this down, we get Solidity logo for the up, we get Ethereum logo for the down. So for this Ethereum logo, if you just come see our test blockchain, just leave am for the Remix VM Shanghai. Now the blockchain we go use test am be that, and it go give us this wallet address wey will get fake, or test 99 or 100 ETH inside. You go see on as 100 ETH if you never deploy anything. Right here, if you can click this deploy, and if e dey correct, you go see say you go see fit see info for this terminal, and normally e suppose green. And when e green, you go see say e go create this button for you. When you scroll come down, come deploy contract, e go create this button for you. And wetin this button dey create, dey show be say this particular thing dey for the blockchain, and people fit interact with am publicly. So when they interact with am, or when they click am, na to view, e go get particular information for them wey they don set for inside this code as bingo. So when you click am, you go get bingo, and na so you don deploy your first contract on top Solidity. Quickly we go see the functions of this particular side of the Solidity. Functions, wetin functions dey do be say, no, we don say that first code, we don run am like that. The second thing we say, we just check am, right? When we put the code, when we see as the thing dey work. This function here, they get the name of this our bingo. We don set this one more from public to internal. Make it be say na only functions from inside this contract fit dey call am. You no go fit see am on top public blockchain again. But if you still fit leave your own for public, you will still see the thing where you leave for there. So this first function, I get my name of my dog, and this one is just the name of the function. We go put this function for here so that Solidity go know say na function we wan call. Then we set am as external, make people wey dey on top blockchain fit see am, make other contracts fit call am. Then we put am for external view. This view means say, of course, they go fit view am on top blockchain. And now view function. So we get view function, we get read and write. So that write means say you want change within the blockchain. right? Or we wan change something for the blockchain wey go cause 2 gas. But this view, we just wan see something. And right, and wetin we dey view go return, we use this keyword return string memory based on say na string na be the data type wey we wan return. No forget say bingo dey inside, na string im be. And go finish am with return my dog name wey go fit, like say e dey print out or e dey show people the dog name wey be bingo. And for here, we change the value of my dog name variable. We just use another function, say okay, we name another function for here, say we wan change dog name, and we name am change dog name. We say na external function so that people go, go fit change am outside. And we just say wetin the function go do na to, set my dog name to puppy. My dog name before na bingo, this function go set am to puppy, right? And this one go set am to cow dog, right? And na wetin these two functions dey do be that. So once they click am, they no dey return anything. This one dey return, suppose show something for people. This one dey show anything for people. Wetin we just do na to go meet this particular side, make e go change wetin dey here. Na im be this function, and na work in dey work for here. So make we just go check am for remix, make we see as all this code wey we don talk about go fit work.